Okay, hi guys, I'm back with me and Nefia, and we're gonna be making spicy noodles. It's not for my little brother. It's not really that spicy, so if you guys are wondering, it's not. It's only 1% spicy, like on the top, if you can see, and it's hot spicy. So we're gonna make it, and I don't want you guys to waste up all your time, so I'm gonna start doing it quickly.
Whoa, girl.
Now.
You're doing good and good, guys.
So easy, guys. I'm just going fast. Excuse me.
Whoa. The time is almost finished.
Hey guys, see you in part 2. Boom!